We have everything planked now as the car heads to get the front end put on. That is the front bumper, the hood, and the front fenders. There are new coil springs that were made for this car and rear springs. And we don't want to take a chance without the extra weight on the front of the hood, fender, bumpers, and grill, which actually will bring the front down and the rear up a drop. This won't be necessary once the front end has the extra weight on it. Little initial road dirt on here from its first test drive. See the seats here? They were actually burgundy. We went through numerous leather color combinations in dyeing it. So we decided what we're going to use. And it will be something very similar to this, which is almost a orangey russet and trimmed with black on the dash. This is our concern on the back here.
Yeah, you're fine.
So far, so good.
That tire on. Once you get up here, you'll straighten up.
Your back's fine.
You're good. And once you touch up here, move over more to the right. How are we looking?
Good so far. Great.
He's good. We're good. You're at least 5 inches higher.
This worked out super. You're fine. It's a go. We did it. Or I should say, Dave did it. Gorgeous car.